You think I gave her too much beans? Not enough beans. More beans! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kogafea. Let's get started. So today I'm going to be drawing a Weiner Dog, and I'm going to be doing a bit of a challenge because I'm not going to be using any colorful paints. I'm going to try to do this all with just a black Sharpie marker and maybe a little bit of white paint. Now I know you may be thinking, how hard can it be to draw a Weiner Dog with just a Sharpie and some white paint? But I'm going to be trying to add a lot of life and texture into it with just the Sharpie marker. And I'm going to do this by one of the most powerful techniques that I have, and that's with the black dots. You can add so much level and texture to a drawing or a painting with just black dots. And as I'm drawing, you'll notice that certain points will be completely black and other points will be completely white. And this is what I'm going to use to add that life and that texture to this drawing. Now I finished with my first layer of Sharpie, and I think I have a lot of movement in the drawing so far. So I'm going to add white to the canvas as well as to the points that the light actually hits off the dog's body, so that that can also add more texture to the painting itself. Now finally, with everything whited out, I'm going over again with a final layer of Sharpie marker, and that's to really define everything and cover over any spots that I got covered with white paint. After stepping back and reviewing this painting, I've decided to add more black to the areas that it needed because it adds a lot of contrast, which makes a painting look so beautiful. So now that we are done whiting out our canvas, we are finally done this painting. That is not really a painting because we didn't really add any paint, it's just black Sharpie. But anyways, it was a cool challenge to try something new. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. We have lots more content coming like this in the future. If you want to see the final copy of this, you can go check it out on our Instagram. It'll be linked in the description box below. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.